BitPay is a payment processor that enables businesses to accept cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin as payment. To use BitPay, sign up. Register for a BitPay account. This involves providing business details for verification. Choose integration. BitPay offers several integration options. Use BitPay's plugins or extensions for platforms like WordPress, Shopify, etc. Incorporate BitPay's API directly into your website or app for custom integration. Setup. Once your account is verified, access the BitPay dashboard. Configure your settings, including settlement options, transaction speed, and notification preferences. Generate payment buttons or invoices. Use BitPay to create payment buttons for your website or issue invoices to customers. These payment options are dynamic and can reflect real-time conversion rates. Accept payments. Customers can select the cryptocurrency payment option. BitPay generates a QR code or payment link. Customers send cryptocurrency using a wallet compatible with BitPay's payment requests. Receive settlements. BitPay converts the cryptocurrency into your preferred fiat currency. Settlements can be made to a bank account or a cryptocurrency wallet. Track and manage. Monitor payments, settlements, and track the status of invoices through the BitPay dashboard. Manage refunds or customer issues related to payments.